But he's got his PSI harness, and obviously that needs to be connected into the chassis harness to be able to be started and stuff like that. It could be a standalone harness like it was in the GTO, but he wants to start it up with the key and everything. So we're going to start looking into that, but it really shouldn't be that much of a big deal at all.
Pull up if you was so bad about it. Get away from me, then I get so mean, man, I feel so crowded. I don't need no friends, I'ma be that man. You can keep on doubting. Never please don't end, I'ma keep on saying that my shit so private. So bad.
Hang on. Gotta go farther back. What's we hitting? Oh, that's why I have the wires wrong. Hang on. Akon said, fuck a key, Ferraris start with push buttons.
Exactly.
Exactly. So he did get his PSI harness to turn on with the ignition, which is good. But it is going to be a push button start. So that's no big deal.
Cause fuck this shit.
Cause Ferrari, dude.
No. Because
Yes.
Fuck wiring. I hate
Wiring does take forever. Quan, isn't this the weirdest package you've ever seen in your life? A pig on a stick. Throw down in the comments what you guys think this is. You will find out tomorrow. Alright guys, so welcome to the video. First off, I cannot believe how much support there was on the old Ferd. Like, my 240 didn't even get that much love. What is up with you guys? That's crazy, but I mean, that's cool. I mean, I like the truck, so whatever. There is some parts on the way for it, nothing cool, you know, I'm not like fucking putting a huge lift on it or something. I got a couple of reliability parts and a cool part, and yeah, that's about it. So look forward to that. Today I did an alignment on it. I didn't record that because that was like, you know, a 5-minute job, but it is driving straight now because it had mad toe in it. It had like camber, and when I fixed the toe, it got rid of the camber. So truck's good. I do need a steering box for it. I'm gonna get one soon, but today we're gonna be working on Quan's car, which you guys are gonna watch a bunch of clips from a couple days ago when we worked on it, and then we're gonna continue into today. Enjoy the video. Okay, so we are working on the GTO like you guys heard me talk about earlier. Oh yeah, the Cressy. Sorry, I saw the big fat fucking LS. But so the harness is no longer going under the dash. Juan's trying to keep AC like you guys remember, so we're going to put the fuse block instead of here. It still might go here. We're going to try to put it here and run all the harness under this. And then if the harness is still over here, we should be able to hook the AC back up. So we're going to run, the AC lines will work with the turbo here. And obviously the condenser's real skinny, so it fits right in there. But we are going to put the harness back in here. Quan, oh yeah, you guys saw it because this was the other day. The PSI harness was ran through. That's obviously, you just hook it up, it's easy. He just needs to actually wire that into, you know, the chassis. So, you gonna do that today? We should get it cranking today, I feel like.
cranking.
Yeah.
I mean, that's separate from that harness.
Oh yeah, it is, because you just do the power wire and the fucking main wire.
I can get the ignition to come on today.
Do you have a long enough wire to run it to the trunk?
I've already got it set up, too.
So, what you doing, Quan?
I want it tucked, but I'm too lazy to extend all the wires, so... And it was a bitch.
Well, it's still gonna be
tucked. It'll still be tucked.
Just...
It would be right here.
It won't be here, it will be here. And the harness will be out here. Which will be...
tucked.
Yeah. Tucked.
Easier, though.
Easier tuck. Yep. We gonna hear this thing crank today, dude? Probably not, but might.
I mean, we could. I don't have a starter. We could start that starter.
Oh yeah, that's right. You don't even have a starter. Yeah, we're gonna crank that starter. I forgot that you need a Z32 starter. If anyone has a Z32 starter, let us know.
I'd rather just buy it now.
Don't let us know. But we do need a Z32 front drive shaft. We do need that.
Yeah.
So let us know. Look at Quan out here being a wiring specialty. What do you got going on, pal? What you wiring up there?
Trying to wire up, well, this is my tack signal wire, and then I also have my check engine light right
What
here.
you're wiring into your dash cluster.
Yeah. Hopefully. If it all works out like that, which it probably won't.
Alright, so we were just talking about DOD, which is the biggest drift event around us. Like, it's huge. I suggest coming out, yeah, in the world, in the universe, dude. I suggest coming out. Look, Zach, what are you doing? Those were some big ass parts.
Shit.
Anyways, come out. I well, we'll all be there. I want to be driving in the new car. I told myself, well, I told Quan that I'll go if Quan goes in the Cressida, which, I mean, there's no reason for me not to drive. I need to drive. But if Quan goes, I'm going to go. Obviously, Zach's going to go. Zach's car's styling. Zach's going. Shut the fuck up. Zach's going. Come out. Look it up. Just look up Summit Point. Just look up Drift Nirvana on Instagram. Please come out. It's 7 tracks. You know, don't even come out for us. There's just hundreds of drivers. It's crazy. And there's a lot of skill there, which is really fun. And ride-alongs are free, I believe. So yeah, if Quan goes, I'm gonna go. Oh, not focused. But, I mean, you got the engine mounts, you got the trans mount. We need to make the drive shaft. He's finishing the wiring now, which the car would start if it had fuel. So realistically, he can go NA, but the turbo stuff isn't that hard. It's just broke boys. So, we'll see.
So all these plugs need to go.
What do you guys think about the Cressida's wheels, dude? Oh yeah, if any of you guys want these, Quan is going to sell them. 19 by 11, -7, 19 by 12, +5, brand new tires, big ass lips, brand new lips, big body status.
Brand new barrels in the front.
DM Quan if you're serious, don't waste his time. Waste his time.
Don't waste my time, please.
Hey, swipe right, Adam.
Huh?
Swipe right, Adam.
The year
I'm just kidding. Don't put that in there.
Swipe right, Adam. I still don't get it.
Yeah, swiping right on Tinder, dude.
Oh, Tinder.
You didn't get it?
Hey, Adam's a savage life.
He is. Ask him what you need to ask him.
Ask Adam?
No. Adam don't care about you.
Adam don't give a fuck about me. Adam, if you ever watch the channel, you're my biggest inspiration. Except for my friends. Daquan and Zach are my biggest inspirations.
What do we inspire you to do? Sit at home and jerk off all day while we're at work?
Ride my wheeler.
Huh?
Quan, tell him what you said earlier.
Yeah, Quan, explain.
Inspire him to work as hard as.
Explain how the recording goes.
No, tell him. That was funny.
He fucking helps me for like the beginning of the day. He wakes up at like 12 o'clock.
First, I get up at like.
I get off at like 3.
I get up
4
at 10.
o'clock if I'm lucky.
You do not.
Yes, I do. I get up every
comes
day.
up-
I message you every morning at 10 and
Just
you're
'cause
not
I
up.
don't mess you back don't mean I'm awake. I'm playing zombies
Fucked
or
up,
something.
dude. That is fucked up.
I come over.
How many inches is that?
I'm like
How many inches
planning
is
on
that
doing
first?
some shit.
I mean, honestly,
inches is that?
that's 122 inches
That's
and
about
you're
20
fucking measuring.
inches.
36.
I almost said 36. But
I almost said 36, but I said
Okay,
28.
tell him that shit was funny.
Tell him, Quan.
so he just. I'll come over, planning on doing a bunch of shit. He'll help me in the very beginning.
First of all,
Like,
he never
oh
planned
yeah,
to do anything.
let's let's do
you are the
this,
laziest
let's do
person
that.
ever.
I am. So then,
I have to
all you hear
beg
is,
you to do it.
"Wrong!" Fucking four-wheeler. He's gone. Comes back with the camera, which you
Can you
guys
come
probably
closer? You're
seen
not
in
in
this
focus.
video. Quan's been doing this. And then turns off the camera. Whoa, he's gone again.
The earlier when he said it, it was funnier. But yeah,
That's because I was from the heart.
that was funny. Yeah. That
Can
was
this be
just
the
a
thumbnail?
What he said earlier was super funny. And it's a little bit truthful. You know, I get distracted at times.
Distracted. You don't do shit.
I do a lot of stuff there.
Our car should be getting built while we're at work.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, our car should be getting built for us.
Okay.
Just don't fucking think I'm.
That's why I don't work on their cars. I don't want to fuck it up.
Oh, hell no, my car's fucked up.
How many inches?
40.
4.
44? Fuck!
Watch this. I won't even look. Ready? 47. 54.
What kind of game is it?
Hang on, ready?
62.
68 and a half. Fuck. 60.
Damn.
Fuck this game. Oh, the thing broke. Hang on.
How high is that tire?
What?
How high is that tire?
Is that
Why did you drop it like that?
Right, he almost hit my shit. Is that a 28 tall at least?
How tall is it actually?
Oh, it's a 26. Damn, I got drag cars.
I got 31s on my truck.
You put this on your truck.
Damn, if that's 26, that means yeah.
Damn, what if you put these on the truck?
They would be baller on the truck.
Just need adapters.
Tell
See
them-
if they sell them on eBay.
Tell
They're
them
cheap.
put the
I'll buy
Brazeros
them.
on the truck.
Go buy the wheels?
No, I'm gonna use the wheels, but I'm gonna buy the adapters.
Use the wheels. I don't want you drifting the
Five
crazy cart in here with them.
by 5.
This man yelled at us for
Driving
drifting the
hopping
crazy
curves.
car.
This man drove over the median to get into Taco Bell yesterday.
5 by 5.
Just a street hoon.
Oh my God, they do sell them.
Your insurance company's gonna hear
They
that.
sell that.
Geico, come for him, boys.
5 by 5. 2 5 by 114.
Looks like you've got a new set of Brazeros. How hard would these poke on the truck is the question.
Probably not that hard.